If 3D printing became the standard for manufacturing, the entire landscape of production, supply chains, and even product design would undergo a dramatic transformation. Traditional assembly lines and mass production facilities would be replaced by flexible digital fabrication centers where objects are printed on demand. This would drastically reduce the need for large inventories, as products could be made to order and customized for individual customers. The decentralization of manufacturing would also be significant. Instead of relying on distant factories, businesses could set up local 3D printing hubs or even allow consumers to print products at home, reducing shipping costs and environmental impact. This shift could empower small businesses and entrepreneurs, lowering barriers to entry since complex manufacturing equipment and large-scale investment would no longer be prerequisites. Innovation would accelerate, as designers could rapidly prototype and iterate new ideas without waiting weeks or months for tooling and molds. Complex geometries and previously impossible structures could become commonplace, opening up new possibilities in fields like medicine, aerospace, and architecture. However, this transition would also bring challenges. Intellectual property concerns might increase, as digital files for products could be easily copied and shared. Quality control would become more complex, especially if manufacturing is distributed among many small-scale producers. There could be significant disruption to traditional manufacturing jobs, requiring widespread retraining and education. Overall, if 3D printing became the manufacturing standard, it would usher in an era of unprecedented flexibility, customization, and local production, while demanding new approaches to regulation, workforce development, and intellectual property protection.